Depositing money on T-Mobile is a straightforward process that allows you to add funds to your account for services. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the T-Mobile website or open the T-Mobile app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the payment section. Once logged in, locate the payment or billing section of your account. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard. Step 3. Select Deposit Funds. In the payment section, look for an option that says Deposit Funds or Add Money. Click on this option to proceed with the deposit process. Step 4. Choose your payment method. You will be prompted to select a payment method. Options may include credit/debit cards, bank transfers, or other payment services. Choose the method that works best for you. Step 5. Enter deposit amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After following these steps, your funds should be successfully added to your T-Mobile account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to T-Mobile customer support for assistance.